How did this end? How did this even start? Ever since my best friend died, I can't breathe the same way. I can't think the same way. I feel confused. Directions mean nothing to me, and nothing makes sense. My life is yet to be lived, but I can live without her. Can I hold on to something that has already gone? Will I always be slightly lost like this for the rest of eternity?
You aren't here.
Maybe I am, or maybe I'm not. Or maybe this is just a dream.
Stop.
Don't forget about me. Don't stop thinking about me. Because I know if I die within you, I'll die within everyone else. But I see you. I see inside. Please don't do what I think you're gonna do.
Stop. Ugh.
Don't.
What? Who the hell are you?
Just put the pills down so we can talk. Listen, Ow!
Who the hell are you?
Charles VI. Born in Brooklyn, died actually a half-mile from here. Can you not hold me like this?
What? Died?
It's hard to explain. Can you please let me go? Okay, like I said...
You're a stranger in my house. Just spit it out.
I'm a ghost.
No, not possible.
Hear me out.
Get out!
Typical reaction? I can't. I literally cannot leave this vicinity. Unless you do. You can try, but it is not going to work.
I guess it's just my mind messing with me, like with Anna.
Anna? I once was a flower, but the thorns of life cut me. Now I am a seedling, waiting to grow again.
I don't know how long it will take, but I know I will be happy in the end. Because the journey of growing
Is better than being picked. You know her? Like, if you were actually real, you would know her in the afterlife.
I do. I know her. She thinks reciting poetry to new people will help them cope with being dead.
She used to write and recite it anywhere she could.
Hey, what's up? Today I'm with my friend Anna. Say hi to the camera.
This is like the weirdest thing you have ever done.
Oh, just go with it.
Hi, I'm a poet.
Yes, and she's going to be reading us a poem. Take it away, Anna. As she gets into character.
Free bird, safe and sound. You are no longer. You fly to a better place where you can be free and be yourself and be perfect. You don't know how to be free, but you'll figure it out. I write poetry to make people feel, and so I can feel as well. And
Damn, that deep.
stop. Okay, well,
Hey, you okay? You went off somewhere.
Back to a better time.
Okay.
So, wait, why are you here?
There was a glitch. I was supposed to visit my friend Maya. She hasn't been doing well these past few years.
What do you mean?
Can I get a cup of coffee?
Sure.
I was 13 when the creek swept me away. The summer rains were bad that year, but Maya and Fred said that we should go swimming. So we did. One thing led to another, and Fred got swept away in the creek. Then it started raining. I saved him, but the branch I was hanging onto broke off, and I fell in. Everything went black, and they searched for me for 5 days, and I only remember waking up in the afterlife. I felt trapped, but then I realized that I could go anywhere I wanted, so I visited Maya, God knows why.
When did you die?
1948.
What? You've been visiting Maya ever since.
Yeah, now more than ever, though. She's getting older.
That's not good.
No. So how do you know Anna?
She was my best friend, and she was amazing.
That I can vouch for.
Did she ever mention me?
No, Well, not that I'm aware of.
Is she good there? Is she, like, actually doing good?
I think so.
You know he's lying, right?
Get out of my head.
Who said I was in your head?
Me, now stop.
What was that?
Nothing.
Okay. So, is there a reason that the afterlife accidentally sent me here?
No, I'm fine. I'm great. No.
Anna, what are you doing?
I am hiding a time capsule and then I'm going to give the map to Ellie.
And why are you doing this?
Because I just want to do it and bury my poem somewhere. And plus I think it would be really cool just to do to leave Ellie this map. I don't know why I'm laughing so much.
That's fine.
And I can't wait for Ellie to find it one day.
You mean for us to find it one day?
Are you sure? Because I already know where it is.
I want to go back and find it with you. When we're old and you have dementia.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna leave now. Bye-bye.
Peace out, peeps.
So you buried it.
Yes.
So, Anna never told me. How did she die?
She was driving and someone hit her. She died on her back. So, positive and negative.
I guess you look at it like that. I've never been in a car accident, though.
Hardest part was the police telling her family. I heard a shriek and I ran over. It was Anna's mom. And in a moment, she was dead.
When my mom came to the afterlife, she said the hardest part was seeing my dead body.
How does that work?
All the time sort of just happens. Like you can time travel anywhere, but at the same time, you're still dead. It's amazing, actually. Beautiful. It's hard to describe in earthly words, and I don't have the poetic voice that Anna does. She can stop talking now.
You know, that's the first time you've laughed since I've died.
Go away.
You see her, don't you? Like, your mind is playing tricks on you?
We're getting close to the woods now. We're here.
Why won't you just acknowledge that she's appearing?
Because she's not real. We have to take the back trail.
Near the creek?
Yeah, oh,
It's fine.
it should be here somewhere.
Not here, huh?
Go away!
You see her, don't you?
Yes, and she's really annoying. It's like my inner demons have turned into her.
Oh, Ellie, I have a riddle for you. Boy with you was once with me when I flew to the place that he came from, when his friend sent me there.
What? When did you see Maya last?
6 months ago.
Anna died 6 months ago.
What are you doing?
I'm looking up who's in the car that killed Anna. I never thought to look because I was so upset. Why does it say Maya Green?
Maya?
Were you in the car?
Calm down. The last time I visited Maya, we were just talking, and then I got pulled back up. There was a glitch.
No, you glitched. Maya was distracted by something or someone and ran a red light, killing Anna.
No, wait, Ellie!
Take a breath, take a break. Jump in, and maybe you'll join me again.
Stop. You're just a figment of my imagination.
I don't care. I don't care. I didn't care about you anyways. I cared about everything else except you.
Go away!
Ellie, I'm so sorry. I understand if you can't forgive me.
Why didn't she mention me?
Huh?
Why didn't she mention me?
Ellie,
She didn't care, did she? That's why she didn't mention me. She doesn't care about me. She never did.
Ellie, She never mentions you because there's this rule.
What rule?
There's this rule that if you die a tragic death or a young death, they wipe your memory until a year later.
I guess that's good.
You want to go get that time capsule now?
Sure. Poems.
She had so many.
Yeah.
I have to go soon. It's almost time.
Why do they only do one day?
I don't know. It messes with the space-time continuum, I guess. Just close your eyes and I'll be gone within a flash.
When is she coming?
Any moment now, calm down.
Really excited to see her.
No, but you need to calm...